right, so I've got you here staring at the sun, I think.
Nope, we're good.
Tell us what we're doing today. What we're doing here today.
Apparently we've taken you guys here before, right?
Yeah.
And so we're in Caineville Wash, which is a little west of Hanksville, a little west of Swing Arm City, and Factory Butte. And what was it that you guys found last time?
Selenite.
Okay.
Maybe some petrified wood.
I was thinking, usually when we're here, we might find a little petrified wood, but not like that last hill that we were at.
Yeah.
Nothing like that. But this wash is huge. It just goes really far in, and it's always just fun to look around. A real easy road. I mean, as long as it's not flooding, apparently, with all the signs. They let people know you don't want to be here when it's going to have a wash. And then, look, you can just park and walk. Super easy. So this is a very accessible spot, I think, for pretty much anybody.
I think so.
So let's see what we can find here. Wow, this is a nice chunk, Kent.
Is it?
You'll like it.
Take a look.
Isn't that pretty?
There's a lot of stuff on the back, but... All right, where are we at now?
Further down in Caineville Wash.
Further down the wash? Do we find something over here?
Yeah, because you just said, and remember, the water will wash stuff up against the root. I was showing you this.
Oh,
the water will wash up against roots. And then I go over and Malinda handed me her hammer and I pulled this guy out here.
Oh, that's a pretty little piece.
Isn't that pretty?
Is it just me or does that look like a limb cast?
It looks a little like a limb cast.
Huh? That's such a
Maybe
weird
that's
idea.
our theme for the day. So anyway, good idea
I don't
to
think
check
anybody
these.
believes these are limb casts, though, so I'm going to be really hesitant going down the limb cast road, but boy, it sure looks like a limb cast, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty
It
cool.
looks a lot like one.
It's kind of seems like that it's filled in and just the right shape for that. So
It really does.
I'm excited to see what it looks like with some water.
I think it'll look good. You guys find anything over here, too?
No, I was just asking Dustin if he found this little selenite or if you...
Oh, you cheater. How would I have found it?
You didn't go up that far yet.
I think there's a piece over here. Come stand by me and just look over this whole area and look for the shiniest thing. There should be one thing just standing out right about there. Do you see it? And then just try and walk towards it. And there's a chance that'll be selenite with that kind of a shine.
Just a little chip. My goodness.
Isn't that small?
Yeah, but that's what it is.
That's what it is.
So one of the other things that you're seeing all around us is gypsum. And we're hoping to find some selenite, which is the clear version of gypsum.
Okay,
So
I'm
that's
not
pretty.
Scratching. Oh, maybe I'm scratching.
Yeah, it scratches.
It's
So
pretty hard gypsum.
selenite is like a 2 on the Mohs scale, apparently. I think gypsum about the same. But look, I thought that was a pretty piece of Agate,
Very
chalcedony, yeah. It's that bluish gray we find a lot here. Anyway, just saying, gypsum is all over.
There's also some little sparkles of selenite through here.
I want to.
There's a nice little piece. That's a little bigger than some of the ones we've found.
There you go.
Definitely
Can we
turkeys.
get up?
Sure, it's all yours.
I just want to show it a little better. Are you looking at this one? Yeah, there we go.
Happy boy, right?
Pretty.
Yeah, I want to watch them
It's a
for a
little
minute.
tougher on that side. This side had a little more sparkle.
Just a
Look at that. There you go.
There we go.
So a good call coming up here. Oh, guys, look at this. Did you already look at this? These pieces?
Somebody stacked them there, I think.
I don't know. Maybe.
So. But isn't that cool? There's one up by your left foot, too.
I prefer to think that nature stacked them right here, and then I stacked them again. Who knows? But that's pretty. Yeah.
That one's really fractured, but the blue one is not very fractured. That one might cut. I don't know if it just looked blue like that.
As you always say, I could cut that.
I could cut that.
Put that on a shirt for him to
I'd
wear.
cut that.
That'd be cool.
I think this is the right direction to walk to see the selenite sparkling.
Yeah, that sun's got to be
It
hitting
has to be
it.
just right.
Sparkle, sparkle.
Yeah.
I'm not seeing a lot of sparkle here though, just little tiny pieces. That's interesting.
So what's interesting, dear? I guess I should let you finish your thought before I start a new one.
Just the way that looked from the top. It's just
Oh, yeah.
a piece of quartzite.
Well, the shape on the edge was interesting. So this would be more like they'd say chert, right?
Oh, I don't know.
So more cherty.
I've never heard
Yep.
that term.
And then this, I think of more chalcedony. So see the difference, like solid and a little bit of light going through. So then
Yeah.
they'd be like, okay, this is chert. And then more of the agate is going to have more. Sorry, I just had to pick up this. Jasper, that yellowy stuff, with some of the chalcedony. So I go like chalcedony, also chalcedony. We don't have banding. We don't have, something going
It's
on.
translucent.
But it's
smooth.
translucent. Unlike this, which is all either Jasper or church. See how it's like solid?
Yeah.
So that's how we would term that.
Couple
Yeah.
river tumbled selenite pieces, huh? Those are pretty good.
Oh yeah, go for it. It's a pretty one, isn't it?
So here, would you like these?
Just be warned, your garage will eventually look like ours.
Collecting those little shards.
Oh, I see a piece. Do you see that there?
Yeah, that one right up there.
I see it. I'm going to try to
I
get
see
it.
about 3 pieces that might be that large though.
Where to go? How did I reach down and get stickers?
Because that's Caineville Wash.
Dang it. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, look. Oh.
Right there.
Oh, it's weird because it does not look shiny until.
And that might have been the other shiny one. I'm in the I'm making a shade.
Yes.
But that might have been the other shiny
Oh.
piece.
That's pretty. This?
Yeah, it might have been.
That's more. Oh, the color on that. Wow.
Yeah. Or maybe that
More
piece
chalcedony.
that has some sparkle to it.
So this one has druzy and it's really pretty,
Yeah,
but it's quartz. I know.
Kind of a potato,
I know.
huh?
It's just boring.
it's not a tuber. It's a potato. It's good. Potatoes taste good.
I don't think quartz gets enough love. Oh, there we go. Look, guys.
Oh,
There's some shine.
That's
Is it showing up?
Oh yeah.
I think it just needs washed.
Yeah, spray it off and we'll take a look at it. That's
Cool. Are you guys finding any of it?
Not
Selenite.
too
Uh-huh.
much.
Smallest little.
Look at this one. It's really thin,
That's a good chunk.
but it's pretty. Yeah.
Oh.
Woohoo! So in other words, it's out here. Oh, that's a good spot. There's a lot of stuff that washed up here. What do you think? Couple more minutes or 5 more minutes? How do we feel?
We're good anytime we go.
Okay. Oh, Kent, what about this one? That's pretty.
What is it?
A little bit of
Bust up
the.
piece of old pet wood.
Yeah, I think so.
I like this one a little bit, but
Oh,
I have
that's
a
pretty.
hunch that's nothing recognizable.
Well, actually, look.
Yeah, but it looks like quartzite everywhere else,
Did I
doesn't
get
it?
another?
See, this looks more like pet wood to me, this
Oh.
little chunk.
That's nice, yeah.
And that's probably a little round of it.
It is.
But again, unrecognizable. I wonder if a microscope could show it.
That's true.
Maybe we can get a microscope and look.
The little tiny pieces going back.
Oh, that little tiny piece you just threw?
Oh, yeah, do you want it?
No, but I know somebody that might.
Yeah. I had a little one because I got this bigger one and I figured I don't need them
There's a couple
both.
of pieces you may or may not like.
Yes.
Absolutely welcome.
Kent, what about this one?
You gotta match the piece of rock to the person. That's actually pretty cool.
That's
Pretty
neat,
solid.
huh?
Yeah.
And this, I would
Very
say this
tumbled.
is also with your
I think
feeling
that,
of it's a part of a piece
well, I
of
don't
pet
know that
wood.
that's limb cast, but that's definitely.
But
I
pet
think
wood,
that's
yeah.
pet wood. Yeah, that fits the coloring and the style and the agatized nature of it. So I would say it probably is.
I like
Kind of
that.
makes me wonder if I can polish that up and find some patterning in it that's pet wood like on a
true.
microscope. So I've got a couple of microscope projects.
Yay. I wondered if that's just gypsum with color, huh?
It is.
What's this
There's a
guy?
piece over here. This is the one I wanted to find.
I'm gonna start heading back probably.
Should we start heading back?
Only because I don't have any Kleenex on me in my nose. Look at the flip side of this one. It's like,
That'll
oh,
heat
Jasper.
Yeah, look, there's some juicy in it. Did you see
Yeah.
the juicy in it? I like that.
I'll see if Malinda wants it just in case.
Yeah. You know, sometimes I think I'm in a really unique place, and then I see cow prints and a can that's 90 years old.
Yeah.
This is either a coyote den or a badger den.
Pretty good hole.
Bless you.
Thank you. Allergies
to
are
look
hitting
at it.
bad.
You're kind of the
Oh, boy, yeah.
sportsman amongst
Badger,
the crowd, right?
at least. Oh, I really dug.
So what we'll do is we'll peek at it and leave it. How does that sound?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I'd hate to have a badger come out at us.
Yeah, they're not too friendly.
That's a pretty good sized hole, isn't it?
That's a really good size. Could be coyote.
How do you
Yes.
see that?
Mm-hmm.
Love the good here too.
Yeah.
In case it doesn't want to see you. Oh, did you like, I don't know if you have enough of the Jasper pieces, but that could maybe shine up. Oh. Listen to the birdies.
Rinse it off.
Yeah.
I probably should have brought some water to
That's
spray
okay.
with.
No worries.
All right, so guess what I found when I walked over to get my bag? Isn't that pretty?
That is. Let me get a close up of that.
A little weather-worn, water-worn, all that piece of pet wood.
Very nice.
That's really pretty. This one I think could be a limb cast like you've been talking about.
Mhm.
Gorgeous.
It looks a lot like a limb cast, doesn't it?
Uh-huh. And I just thought this is a pretty Jasper chunk. Oh, look at the little bits.
Although
of
it's got
agate.
some of the parent rock around it, so maybe I don't know though. But
Mhm.
it's just, it sure strikes me as reminds me of the limb cast look for sure.
That caught my eye because of the color, but it's not anything I want to keep.
You want to show me this one again? I didn't look at it very well because I
Yeah.
was stuck looking at the limb cast. That's a pretty
So
piece
it's got a little bit of
Jasper,
agate going
some
through
agate.
there. So a few little pretty pieces, a nice piece of selenite. That was lovely. And I thought this was just a nice chalcedony piece.
Okay.
Pretty.
I've got 3 that I'm looking at.
Okay. And this
And-
looks like a pet wood, very roughly tumbled, right?
I think
Look at
broken
that.
up, beat up, but I think these are the lines
Oh,
and they demark the rings.
sorry, I'm just seeing
sorry,
your
that
agate
one,
piece here. Pretty.
I don't. That is prettier than I thought it was. Except for I thought it was probably quartzite.
Okay, see the banding? The
Well,
banding.
I'm not disagreeing with you. I'm just saying I thought
I
it was
could make a
quartzite.
bandana. What do you think?
You know what else? So hold on though. Here's the
Okay.
thing. See these lines that go up?
Yeah.
I thought this might be rings, or maybe this way was rings. I thought this could be petrified wood that was replaced.
Well, yeah, but you know,
It's
agatized
gorgeous,
petrified
though.
wood.
Agatized
basically.
petrified wood,
There you
maybe.
go. Okay, you guys got a
Maybe.
couple to show
there
us?
was one more too. Where's this one? So I thought this one when I picked it up was probably petrified wood. I don't know now. I'd have to look, but you can almost see some of the cellular structure right there. Maybe
Yeah.
if I move my thumb out of the way, it'd be easier to see.
Very cool.
So I'm gonna look at that one under the microscope. So these are gonna be microscope ones that I've got right here. Those
Yeah.
3, and I need a baggie that says microscope on it.
Good idea.
So I'll
You should-
show them up.
And
What
then
have you guys
Melinda's got a few
Is
pretty
this all
pieces.
gypsum?
It's all, so gypsum is, as I understand it, calcium carbonate. There's a couple of
that's
different
great.
forms of it, and the softest is gypsum, and then there's a couple of kinds of gypsum, and one of those is selenite, which
With
I
it
think
being that shiny, I'd say selenite, right? More?
I thought it was translucent that
And
told us if
translucent.
it was selenite. So that one's absolutely translucent. I suspect if you were to layer that off, they would be translucent as well, or close to the others. But yeah, they're definitely in the gypsum family, and maybe even trending to selenite.
Very,
Yep.
very
Very
translucent.
Now, I think the stuff we found up on top of Schatzkel Mesa was a little bit more translucent, but I thought that was pretty good.
Do you guys want another piece of selenite? Because I have a bunch
Are you
of
throwing
selenite.
away?
I wasn't necessarily going to
We're
keep
going
that
to
one, but
return to let it grow a little bit. We're going to
isn't that
put it in the
pretty?
water.
That is very pretty.
Because
I like it.
we have found a lot of selenite, so I probably don't need every piece. Sorry.
All right, so should we close it up?
Yeah.
What's the take home from Caineville Wash today?
Yeah, what do we think about Caineville Wash,
Nice.
guys?
It's
Yeah.
easy.
It's very easy, beginner friendly. However, I like the variety because it varies
Yeah.
based on, because last time it was very different than we're here today. I think that just has largely to do with a flash flood that came through. So it's always different. It always changes.
That's the fun part. Yeah, every time it rains, you're going to get more stuff moved in. I think sometimes we've seen a lot of chunky stuff through there. It seemed a little sparser this time, a little more gravelly, sandy, but you just never know. That
I'm
makes it
trying to
fun.
remember, but it seems like one time we found stuff up in the breaks up behind us at the base of those paleosols, which might
Yeah.
be Morrison Formation, but I'm not sure. And so we hiked up in there. In this one over here, there's a little cave that you can hike up into. It's kind of fun. Who knows? Maybe it'll collapse on you and kill you, but I mean, it's still
Be
fun.
careful.
Yeah, be careful around caves for sure.
Guys, thanks for
Exactly.
joining us. And if you enjoyed this, like and subscribe.
Thanks.